Hello, so today's presentation will be on how to work out the interior angles in polygons. Okay, so the learning objective is to work out two things: the sum of interior angles. So this is the total of all the angles in the shape. So for example, if you have a triangle, the sum of the interior angles is all the angles added up together, which is 180. Okay, but what about for a square, pentagon, hexagon, octagon, decagon, and so on? So we're going to work that out today. Also, the size of one angle in a regular polygon. Okay, so in this lesson, we're only going to deal with regular polygons. Now, regular polygons mean all the angles and sides are the same. Okay, so all the angles and sides are the same. Okay, so polygon just means a shape with many sides and angles. Now, the smallest polygon is a triangle. Okay, so I'm just going to make a little table that says number of sides, shape, interior angle, sum of interior angle, and then size of one angle. Okay, so copy this down. So let's get started now. Now, we can't have a one-sided shape or two-sided shape. We start off with a three-sided shape, which is a triangle. Okay, now the sum of the interior angles, there's a formula we use, and that formula is, so write this down, sum of interior angles. Okay, so that is n minus 2 times 180. Okay, where n is the number of sides. Okay, so for the triangle, sum of interior angles, how many sides does it have? It has three sides. So substitute 3 into my formula. Take away 2 times 180. So 3 take away 2 is 1 times 180 gives me 180. So we all knew that before, but all the angles in the triangle add up to 180. So if all of them are the same, if this is a regular triangle or equilateral triangle, all I have to do to find out the size of one angle is divide the total sum by the number of sides. Okay, so for the triangle, it will be 180 divided by 3 sides, which gives me 60. Okay, so in a triangle where all the angles and sides are the same, one angle is 60 degrees. Okay, so each of these is 60. Okay, so let's go on to a five-sided shape. So we know a four-sided shape is a square. So let's go into a five-sided shape, which is a pentagon. Okay, so sum of interior angles. What do all of these angles add up to? Let's use the formula n take away 2 times 180. So number of sides, I have 5 sides. Take away 2 times 180. So I get 3 times 180, which gives me 540. Okay, so all of those 5 angles add up to 540. What's the size of one of them? So the size of one of them would be 540, the total sum, divided by number of sides, 5. So that gives me 108, 108 degrees. Okay, so in a pentagon, all of the sides add up to, all of the angles add up to 540, but each of them is 108. Okay, 108, 108, 108. Okay, let's move on to a six-sided polygon, which is called a hexagon. So, sum of interior angles So use my formula n minus 2 times 180. So the number of sides is 6. Take away 2 times 180. That gives me 4 times 180. 0, carry the 3, 720. Okay, so 720. Now, so all of these angles add up to 720. Okay, so the size of one angle will be the total, which is 720, divided by the number of sides, which is 6. And I get answer of 120. So in a hexagon, each of the sides angle, is 120. Okay, so remember this only works for regular polygons, but you can still use the sum of all the interior angle formula for any polygon. That's this formula over here. So let's say I had a 9-sided shape. I can work out the total of those 9 angles just by doing 9 take away 2 times by 180. So 7 times 180. 1260. Okay, but I can't work out the size of one angle because the sizes of the angles and the sides are not the same, so I can't just divide it by 9. Okay, so guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Next video we're going to learn about exterior angles.